little stars. Are you ready to learn A to Z sports song? Let's go! A, archery. A is for archery. B, basketball. B is for basketball. C, cricket. C is for cricket. D, diving. D is for diving. E, equestrian. E is for equestrian. F, football. F is for football. G, golf. G is for golf. Look at you go! So many fun games to play! H, hockey. H is for hockey. I, ice skating. I is for ice skating. J, javelin. J is for javelin. K, karate. K is for karate. L, lacrosse. L is for lacrosse. M, marathon. M is for marathon. N, netball. N is for netball. We are halfway there. Woo! Keep jumping and moving. Haha! O, Olympic rings. O is for Olympic rings. P, polo. P is for polo. Q, quad biking. Q is for quad biking. R, rugby. R is for rugby. S, swimming. S is for swimming. T, tennis. T is for tennis. U, ultimate frisbee. U is for ultimate frisbee. Almost to the end. Wow! Get ready for the big finish. Yay! V, volleyball. V is for volleyball. W, wrestling. W is for wrestling. X, X Games. X is for X Games. Y, yoga. Y is for yoga. Y, Zumba. Z is for Zumba. Great job, Keto Superstar. Subscribe now. See you next time. Bye.